Tomorrow night, following the 7 nightly news, part 2 of your Disney Sunday movie, The Richest Cat in the World. At 7:30, it's Valerie, followed by Sidekicks at 8. But this is John Deeks on behalf of the staff here at 7 Melbourne, wishing you all a very good night.